You're right, Jim. 8% system sales growth for Taco Bell was tremendous, and 7% for KFC. And what I loved about the KFC, it was broad-based. It was, around the world. We're in over 130 countries, and it was a really great performance by, those two brands. And hats off to the teams in all those countries for doing an outstanding job of delivering on customer expectations.
I do think also we got to call out this Taco Bell India, for instance. When you lost China, so to speak, everyone wanted the high growth China. Taco Bell India, you have a plus a 10% on a naked chicken taco and crispy potatoes. So you're reinventing per country what you guys sell.
Yeah, look, India is a very important market for us. It's, just think of the number of people there. The great thing is we've got all three brands, and all three brands are doing well in India. So it's exciting that we're doing well in those parts of the world where the markets are really accelerating. And that's obviously powering our growth.
Let's talk about what you said at the end of your call, which is that how do you get these kinds of same-store sales numbers? You're talking about innovation, but you're also talking about delivery. And the delivery, I know that partnership with Grubhub stock down horribly, but that partnership with Grubhub is apparently paying off for you.
Oh yeah, we love our relationship with Grubhub. It's a great partnership. By the end of the year in the US, we'll have about 2,000 KFCs and probably close to 4,000 Taco Bells delivering. And we know that in the stores that are already delivering, we're getting check increases, we're getting incremental sales are coming from it. So we're very excited about this partnership. We think it obviously bodes well for future sales growth for both KFC and for Taco Bell in the US.
Greg, food inflation, where are we in that cycle right now?
Yeah, I heard Jim talk about it earlier. I think the great thing about Yum is that, we've just got such scale that, yes, there's inflation, and inflation obviously affects everybody, but I believe that even in inflation markets, we're set up because of our scale to handle it better than pretty much everyone else. And, we have a co-op with our franchisees, so they're a party to this, so we partner with our franchisees. So, is there some inflation? Yes. But look, in every business, there's puts and calls. There's variables that move around, and I think our ability to be nimble and to adjust to those variables and to continue to deliver on consensus, I think is really important and a testament to the strength of the three brands.
Greg, when I try to figure out what went going on with Pizza Hut, I know that most of the questions from the analysts was about Pizza Hut. That is a tough turnaround. You've got Domino's doing great, but I've got to tell you, given how poorly Papa John's is doing, why didn't Pizza Hut take more share?
Well, I think that, first of all, Pizza Hut is, it's a slow turnaround, and we've said that. I think the most important thing is the foundations, and I talked about this on the call, whether it's speed of service, the quality of the products, just the easy to access for Pizza Hut is getting better. We've got to do a better job of, communicating the value, the easiness, the distinctiveness, all of those things, which we're very good at, and I'm very confident we can do it. So, do I believe that we can do better with Pizza Hut in the US? Yes, I do. What I'm really excited about, though, when we bring new customers into Pizza Hut, they're going to have an outstanding experience, and that's going to bring them back again and again. So the foundations are in place. We need to do a better job of, being distinctive around the great price points and all the benefits that we offer. And when we do that, I think we will see, improvements in the Pizza Hut US brand.
When I interviewed Rob Sands from Constellation, which is Modelo and Corona, I said, well, how did you get such an acceleration? He did say that the NFL's ratings coming back have been very important. You guys are deeply intertwined with the NFL. Are you seeing similar ratings boost and therefore sales for your NFL partnership?
Well, I can't talk about, obviously, Q4. Are we delighted to be the partner of the NFL? Yes. I think that's really important. We love it. Obviously, we're also with the NCAA. So, I think, pizza and football goes hand in hand. And I couldn't be happier that we're the NFL's partner. And I think that obviously we can leverage that, both in the short term and the long term going forward.
One thing that got a lot of notice in the last 24 hours, Greg, is this partnership with Toyota in which robots essentially cook pizzas en route. How serious do you take this? Can this be done at scale, or is this just for fun?
No, I take this very seriously. I mean, I love our partnership with Toyota. This is really about technology. This is about robotics. This is about what the future is envisaging. Driverless cars, robots making pizzas. This is all in our future. Is it in our future next week? No. But is it in our foreseeable future? Absolutely. And everything that we can do I think to make the brands more relevant, make them easier to access and more distinctive, that's what will lead to continued success, not just at Pizza Hut, but also at KFC and at Taco Bell.